we've just seen Sultan Bateri. The thing is, not just visiting the small tower over here, but the thing is to catch a ferry from here to go visit the main destination that we are here for. That is Tannir Bavi. Hello guys, we've come to Sultan Bateri today, and as you can see, there is we're climbing the stairs to the watchtower, apparently built by Tipu Sultan, which was later confiscated by the Britishers. It is believed that under this very tower used to be a huge storage kept for storing gunpowder. It was like an arsenal for Tipu, and he also had a secret way from here till Mysore, just in cases of emergency. I think this has been, made a lot of changes, but this was supposed to be in ruins. It was built by black stones, and this is the view, guys. Check out the view, man. We have arrived to Tannir Bavi beach. This beach is very serene. They have planted 15 hectares of plants or trees in such a beautiful way. These trees are maintained by the forest department of Karnataka, and most of these trees which have been planted here have a lot of Ayurvedic importance, medicinal value, and they are free to the shore, right? They have constructed a lot of stores over here. It wasn't this commercialized before, because it was just, as you can see far in the distance, just plain set of trees, like on this side, right? You could just see some trees in rows and rows and rows together. Hey, beach close, huh? ಅದೇನದು ತಂತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಮೇಲ It used to be just trees like this, ends on ends together. There was no this drape of clothing or whatever, and beyond that I think they planted more trees, hence they've actually covered it up. It was just these bunch of trees. To walk in the middle of these trees was like heaven. It was like in an old Bollywood film scene where you're just running amidst the trees, and it's just beautiful. Let's check out the beach part as well. They say Mangalore beaches are not really safe to take a swim because nobody knows the depth or how the water is here. An old part of a ship looks like. This is probably by far the best location in Mangalore. I've arrived here at 10 AM, but to catch the ferry from Sultan Bathery till here. But unfortunately, they say that the beach will be open only after 4 in the afternoon or evening. So that is one thing which is not good. It's just some 20 feet or something distance between me and the beach right now, and even if I cross the strings, nobody will be able to catch me. But yeah, rules are rules. This. I think beaches are one of those places where it is very therapeutic if you just listen to the waves crashing and you just catching a seat. They've installed some beautiful seats throughout the beach. So catching a seat and relaxing, connecting with the nature, just the sounds of the waves crashing, there's something very therapeutic about it. There's something very, very, very nice about it. I don't know what it is, but it calms me. It helps me settle down and think on a lot of things in life. This place truly is magical. I had no intentions of getting in the water or playing in the water, but still even this is not bad. Beautiful. I can sit here for hours and hours together. This is Sunny Day signing off. Take care.